Welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at 30 clever kitchen gadgets you can find on Amazon, from practical tools that make everyday cooking easier to smart little products that can save you time, effort, and counter space. We've selected these gadgets based on their usefulness, convenience, and overall appeal for everyday kitchens. Whether you're a passionate home cook or simply looking for easier ways to prepare meals, there may be a few products here worth adding to your kitchen. So, let's get started. Number 1. Electric Meat Grinder. This electric meat grinder is a fantastic addition to any home kitchen, especially if you enjoy preparing fresh meat dishes from scratch. I really like the versatile design because it comes with different grinding plates and sausage tubes, giving you plenty of options for different recipes. The stainless steel construction feels sturdy and durable, while the powerful motor makes grinding meat much more convenient. It's great for preparing burgers, meatballs, sausages, and other homemade recipes. Overall, this grinder offers excellent versatility and convenience for anyone who enjoys fresh homemade food. Number 2. Japanese Serrated Bread Knife. This Japanese-style serrated bread knife is an excellent choice for anyone who regularly enjoys homemade bread and baked goods. The long serrated blade makes slicing through crusty loaves smooth and effortless without putting too much pressure on the bread. I especially like how it helps maintain the shape and texture of soft bread while cutting through tougher crusts. It can also be useful for cakes, pastries, sandwiches, and other baked foods. The high-carbon stainless steel construction gives the knife a premium feel, making it a practical and reliable tool for everyday kitchen use. Number 3. Vegetable Chopper with Container. This vegetable chopper is a very useful kitchen gadget for making everyday food preparation faster and easier. I love having a tool that can quickly handle onions, potatoes, fruits, and different vegetables without requiring a lot of chopping by hand. The included container is especially convenient because it collects the prepared ingredients and helps keep the countertop cleaner. The stainless steel construction feels durable, while the safety handguard provides extra convenience during use. It's a great option for preparing salads, vegetables, meal ingredients, and many other dishes with less effort. Number 4. Stainless Steel Beverage Tub. This insulated stainless steel beverage tub is a stylish and practical addition to parties, barbecues, family gatherings, and outdoor entertaining. The large capacity gives you plenty of room to chill bottles and cans, while the double-wall insulated construction helps keep drinks cold for longer. I really like the hammered stainless steel appearance because it looks elegant enough for special occasions while still being practical for everyday entertaining. The double-hinged handles also make carrying the tub much easier. Overall, it combines attractive design, useful capacity, and convenient portability in one impressive beverage accessory. Number 5. Collapsible BBQ Prep Tub. This collapsible BBQ Prep Tub is a really convenient solution for anyone who enjoys grilling, meal preparation, and outdoor cooking. I like how versatile it is because it can be used for preparing ingredients, marinating food, and storing prepared items. The included cutting board adds even more usefulness, while the locking lid helps keep food covered and protected. Another great feature is the collapsible design, which makes storage much easier when the tub isn't being used. It's a practical kitchen and BBQ accessory that helps keep food preparation organized and saves valuable storage space. Number 6. Over-the-door Pantry Organizer. This over-the-door pantry organizer is a smart way to create additional storage space in the kitchen without taking up valuable countertop or cabinet room. I really like the idea of using an otherwise unused door for organizing spices, seasonings, sauces, and other frequently used ingredients. The adjustable design makes it flexible for different storage needs, while the heavy-duty metal construction gives it a sturdy and reliable feel. It can help make a crowded pantry look much more organized and make everyday cooking easier because your favorite ingredients are visible and within easy reach. Number 7. Cast Iron Citrus Juicer. This heavy-duty cast iron citrus juicer is an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys fresh, homemade juice. The commercial-style construction gives it a strong and substantial feel, making it perfect for regular kitchen use. I love that it can handle different fruits such as oranges, lemons, and pomegranates, so you can prepare a variety of fresh drinks and ingredients. The manual pressing design is simple to use and doesn't require electricity, which makes it convenient for kitchens, parties, breakfast preparation, and outdoor entertaining. Overall, it's a durable and impressive tool for fresh juice lovers. Number 8. Stainless Steel Garlic Press. This stainless steel garlic press is a simple but extremely useful kitchen gadget that can make garlic preparation much faster and easier. I really like the ergonomic lever because it makes pressing cloves comfortable while reducing the effort needed by your hands. The large hopper is another great feature because it can accommodate peeled or unpeeled garlic cloves, saving preparation time. The pull-out sieve makes cleaning much easier, which is especially helpful after cooking. The fine, consistent garlic texture is perfect for sauces, dressings, marinades, stir-fries, and countless everyday recipes. Number 9. Refrigerator Deodorizer. I've been using this refrigerator deodorizer, and I'm really impressed with how well it helps keep my fridge smelling fresh. It's a great alternative to baking soda and activated carbon, and the best part is that it's reusable. It helps reduce unpleasant food odors without adding any strong fragrance, so my refrigerator simply smells cleaner and fresher. I also love that it's long-lasting, which makes it convenient and economical for everyday use. It's compact, easy to place inside the fridge, and requires very little effort. If you want a simple, reusable solution for keeping your refrigerator fresh, this deodorizer is definitely worth trying. Number 10. French Fry Cutter. This stainless steel French fry cutter is a fantastic gadget for anyone who loves making fresh homemade fries. It makes the preparation process much easier by helping you cut potatoes into consistent pieces with less manual effort. I also like that it isn't limited to potatoes, because it can be useful for onions, fruits, and other vegetables as well. The sturdy stainless steel construction gives it a durable feel, while the labor-saving design makes food preparation quicker and more convenient. It's a great addition to the kitchen for preparing homemade fries, salads, vegetables, and creative recipes. Number 11. Electric Ice Shaver, Snow Cone Maker. This electric ice shaver is a fantastic addition for anyone who loves refreshing snow cones and shaved ice treats. It works quickly and efficiently, making it easy to prepare fluffy, shaved ice for family gatherings, parties, celebrations, or even commercial use. I really like the convenient design and the included ice pick, which makes preparing the ice much easier. The machine feels practical for regular use and can handle a large amount of ice in a short time. It's a fun, useful kitchen appliance, especially during hot summer days when everyone wants a cool and refreshing treat. Number 12. Stainless Steel Cutting Board Set. This stainless steel cutting board set is a great choice for anyone looking for durable and versatile kitchen preparation tools. The different board sizes make it convenient to handle everything from small ingredients to larger meal preparation tasks. I really like the sturdy stainless steel construction, combined with the practical double-sided design. The boards are useful for preparing meat, vegetables, fruits, and many other ingredients. Another excellent feature is the dishwasher-safe construction, which makes cleanup much easier after cooking. Overall, this set is practical, durable, easy to maintain, and a useful upgrade for any busy kitchen. Number 13. Stainless Steel Cooking Utensil Set. This stainless steel cooking utensil set is a wonderful option for upgrading your kitchen with essential tools in one convenient collection. The set includes useful utensils for everyday cooking, including a soup ladle, skimmer spoon, spaghetti spoon, spatula, and other practical pieces. I really like the stainless steel construction because it gives the utensils a solid and durable feel while cooking. They are versatile enough for preparing soups, pasta, sauces, vegetables, and many other dishes. The dishwasher-safe design is another great advantage because cleaning everything after preparing a meal becomes quick and effortless. Number 14. Wine Aerator Whiskey Dispenser. This smart wine aerator and whiskey dispenser is a stylish and convenient gadget for anyone who enjoys entertaining at home. I really like how it combines aeration and controlled pouring into one modern device. The tap-to-pour design makes serving beverages feel simple and sophisticated, while the precise dispensing feature gives you better control when preparing drinks. The rechargeable design is also very convenient because you can easily power it up and use it without constantly replacing batteries. It would make an impressive addition to a home bar and could also be a thoughtful gift for someone who enjoys wine or spirits. Number 15. Countertop Spice Rack Organizer. This revolving countertop spice rack is a fantastic way to keep your favorite seasonings organized and easy to reach while cooking. The rotating design makes finding the right spice incredibly convenient, especially when you are preparing several ingredients at once. I also like the lift and pour caps because they make dispensing spices simple and controlled. The combination of stainless steel and bamboo gives the organizer a stylish appearance that can complement many kitchen designs. Having multiple spice jars neatly arranged in one compact organizer also helps reduce countertop clutter and makes everyday cooking feel more organized and enjoyable. Number 16. Acacia Wood Pizza Peel. This large acacia wood pizza peel is a beautiful and practical accessory for anyone who enjoys making homemade pizza. The wide surface provides plenty of room for preparing and moving pizzas, while the handle gives you comfortable control when transferring food. I really like that it can also work as a cutting and serving board, making it more versatile than a traditional pizza peel. The natural acacia wood finish gives it a warm, attractive appearance that looks great in the kitchen. It is a useful accessory for pizza nights and a lovely addition to any home cooking setup. Number 17. Portable Butane Camping Stove. This portable butane camping stove is an excellent choice for outdoor cooking, camping trips, tailgating, and other situations where you need a convenient cooking solution. The powerful burner provides plenty of heat for preparing meals, while the double wind guard is especially helpful when cooking outdoors. I really like the piezo ignition because starting the stove is quick and convenient without needing a separate lighter. The safety-focused features provide added peace of mind during use, and the hard carrying case makes transportation and storage much easier. Overall, it is a practical and portable cooking companion for outdoor adventures. Number 18. Slim 4-Quart Air Fryer. This slim air fryer is a great option for anyone who wants convenient cooking performance without sacrificing valuable counter space. I really like the sleek, modern design because it can fit comfortably into smaller kitchens while still offering a generous cooking basket. The digital controls make operations simple, and the different cooking functions provide plenty of flexibility for preparing crispy foods, roasted meals, reheated dishes, and more. The ceramic non-stick coating also makes food release and cleanup easier. With its stylish appearance, practical capacity, and versatile cooking options, this air fryer is a fantastic everyday kitchen appliance. Number 19. Compact Vacuum Sealer. This compact vacuum sealer is a really useful gadget for keeping food storage more organized and convenient. I like the handheld design because it is easy to store and doesn't require much counter space. The included reusable vacuum bags are a great bonus, giving you everything needed to start organizing food right away. They can be especially helpful for storing leftovers, prepared ingredients, meal portions, and other foods that you want to keep neatly packaged. The compact size makes it convenient for everyday kitchen use, while the reusable bags offer a practical solution for people who regularly prepare and store food. Number 20. Food processor with 2 bowls. This powerful food processor is a very useful addition to a busy kitchen, especially for anyone who wants to save time during food preparation. I really like the combination of 2 large bowls because it provides flexibility when working with different ingredients. The separate blade sets make it convenient to process vegetables, meat, fruits, nuts, and other foods. The 2-speed operation also gives you better control depending on the texture you want to achieve. It can make chopping and grinding much faster than doing everything by hand, making everyday meal preparation more convenient and efficient. Number 21. Ice Cream Maker Machine. This ice cream maker is a fantastic kitchen gadget for anyone who enjoys fresh, homemade desserts. I really like how convenient the freezer bowl design makes the preparation process, especially when you want to enjoy a homemade treat without complicated equipment. It has a practical capacity for family desserts and is great for creating classic flavors like vanilla and chocolate, as well as trying creative recipes with fruits, cookies, or other favorite ingredients. The compact design is also convenient for home kitchens. Overall, it makes homemade ice cream feel simple, enjoyable, and much more accessible. Number 22. Deep Fryer. This deep fryer is a great addition to the kitchen if you enjoy making crispy, restaurant-style favorites at home. I really like the generous capacity because it gives you plenty of room to prepare foods such as fried chicken, shrimp, French fries, and chips. The adjustable temperature control makes it easier to manage your cooking, while the timer adds extra convenience during busy meal preparation. The removable oil container is especially helpful when it comes time to clean up. The stainless steel design also gives the fryer a sleek and practical appearance for everyday kitchen use. Number 23. Electric Kettle. This Kosori gooseneck electric kettle is an excellent choice for coffee and tea lovers who appreciate convenient temperature control. I really like the gooseneck spout because it allows for a smooth and controlled pour, which is especially helpful when preparing pour-over coffee. The stainless steel interior is another great feature, particularly because there is no plastic contact with the water. The different temperature presets make it easy to choose the right setting for various drinks, while the keep warm function is convenient when you are not ready to pour immediately. It is stylish, practical, and easy to enjoy every day. Number 24. Bread Maker. This automatic bread maker is a wonderful kitchen companion for anyone who wants fresh, homemade bread with less effort. I really like the beginner-friendly controls because they make the bread-making process feel approachable, even if you have never used a bread machine before. The automatic operation means you can prepare your ingredients, select your preferred program, and let the machine handle the process. The timer is also very convenient for planning fresh bread around your schedule. With its stainless steel appearance, LCD display, non-stick design, and relatively quiet operation, this bread maker is a practical choice for everyday homemade baking. Number 25. Turbo Personal Blender. This Turbo Personal Blender is a versatile option for anyone who enjoys smoothies, shakes, and quick homemade drinks. The powerful motor makes it useful for blending a variety of ingredients, including frozen foods, while the different cup sizes provide flexibility depending on what you are preparing. I especially like the travel lids because they make it easy to take your freshly blended drink with you when heading to work, school, the gym, or running errands. It can also help with simple food preparation, making it more than just a smoothie blender. Overall, it is convenient, versatile, and well suited for everyday use. Number 26. Electric ice cream maker. This electric ice cream maker is a fun choice for families and anyone who loves creating homemade frozen desserts. I really like the classic wooden style appearance because it gives the machine a charming, traditional feel while still providing the convenience of an electric appliance. The generous capacity makes it useful when you want to prepare plenty of dessert for family gatherings or parties. It is also versatile enough for making different frozen treats, including ice cream, frozen yogurt, and gelato. Overall, this machine makes homemade dessert preparation more enjoyable and gives you plenty of opportunities to experiment with delicious flavors. Number 27. Teak Wooden Utensil Set. This teak wooden utensil set is a beautiful and practical upgrade for any kitchen. I really like the natural wooden appearance because it adds a warm, classic touch to the cooking space while providing useful tools for everyday meal preparation. The utensils are designed to be heat-resistant and suitable for non-stick cookware, making them convenient for a variety of cooking tasks. The included holder and hooks also make organization much easier, while the spoon rest provides a handy place to keep your utensil between cooking steps. Overall, this set combines functionality, attractive design, and convenient kitchen organization. Number 28. Vacuum Sealer Machine. This vacuum sealer is a very useful kitchen gadget for anyone who wants a more organized approach to food storage. I really like the automatic bag detection because it can make the sealing process feel simple and convenient. The widened heating strip is designed to create a secure seal, while the machine works with both dry and moist foods. It can also be useful for sous vide preparation, giving it additional versatility beyond everyday food storage. The compact design is another advantage because it does not take up excessive counter or cabinet space. The included pre-cut bags also make getting started convenient. Number 29. Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. The Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven is a clever kitchen appliance for convenient cooking and baking. I really like the continuously rotating tray because it helps promote even cooking as your food rotates during the process. Another excellent feature is the ability to control the top and bottom heating elements separately, giving you more flexibility depending on what you are preparing. The automatic timer adds convenience by signaling when cooking is complete and turning off the heating elements. The removable non-stick baking pan is also helpful for cleanup. Overall, this rotating oven offers a practical and convenient alternative for many everyday cooking tasks. Number 30. Ultimate Hard Fry Pan Set. This Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Fry Pan Set is an excellent choice for everyday cooking. I really like having different pan sizes because it gives you flexibility when preparing everything from quick individual meals to larger portions for the family. The titanium nonstick coating helps food release more easily and makes cleanup more convenient. The thermo spot heat indicator is another useful feature because it helps you know when the pan has reached the proper preheating stage. The pans are also oven safe and dishwasher safe, adding even more convenience. Overall, this set is practical, versatile, and well suited for everyday kitchen cooking. And that's our look at 30 useful kitchen gadgets from Amazon. Some are designed to save time, some make everyday tasks easier, and others simply bring a little more convenience to the kitchen. Remember, product features, prices, availability, and customer reviews can change. So it's always a good idea to check the latest details before making a purchase. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next product roundup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.